Alright, hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia, and on this channel we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, all the vibes. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe.
She like it on me. I like the way she take it. They like my picture. I make her jealous, she won't say it.
Okay, so today I'm in my sleeping t-shirt. This is my sleeping t-shirt, but I'm just in it because, you know, it's a casual vibe. Today, I was gonna wear a turtleneck, but I was gonna mess up my hair and makeup, and I was like, no. Today, I'm here with my pen and my iPad, and you know if I'm here with my pen and my iPad, we mean business, okay? No one knows that, but I know that. Today, you guys, I am going to show you how much YouTube paid me. It's a little weird to like get on the internet and talk about money, but I do have to say that like I watched a million of these videos before I got monetized. I watched so many, and I just like wanted to know the different ranges, and it ranges for everybody. But what I really wanted to know is somebody in my like niche. I don't really have a niche, I just do like lifestyle, beauty, fashion, you know, all the vibes, whatever I want to do. So I wanted to see how much somebody in my like category would make in making the type of videos that I make, what they would make. But I wasn't really finding anyone in my specific like who looked like me, who, you know what I mean, like someone in my specific like little circle of like someone who looks like me, someone my age, someone who does the same content as me, someone who lives in a similar, like, you know what I mean, like just that. So I was trying to think like how much would I make, if that makes sense. That might be like too detailed. I was probably thinking too far into it, but that's just where my mind was. So anyway, I just wanted to see how much people made. And so I'm here to tell you guys how much I made on YouTube, my first month being monetized. I was monetized midway through January like 16th or something like that. 15th or 16th, I think, somewhere there. So I'm gonna do it from January 15th or 16th to February 15th or 16th, because I want to give you like a full 30 days of like how much I got paid. But I just want to show you guys how much I made in the first month being monetized on YouTube. I'm so grateful to be monetized on YouTube. Like, it's crazy to me. This was like a dream, and now I'm living it, and now I'm like not really sure what to do anymore, because I'm like, okay, well, I made it here. But anyway, I just want to show you guys, for anyone who's wondering, anyone who wants to see how much they might make, what the tea is. So I'm not gonna give you all the tea. If you really wanna like go figure out like what all the things mean, you need to go watch an in-depth video, because I'm not your girl when it comes to that. I know the basics, and that's all I'm gonna keep knowing. And this is also not to brag. I know I probably have to give that warning, because someone out here is gonna think like, oh, she just wants to tell you how much she made. No, I just wanna help you guys, because I watch the same videos. Like, it doesn't matter how much I make. I just wanna, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not trying to brag to no one, because I'm not famous or nothing. I still work a full job, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my analytics, and I'm gonna go look at revenue. Basically what your revenue is based off of, if you've watched enough of these videos, you know, your CPM is how much ad people, people who wanna run ads on YouTube, pay YouTube to run ads on your content and on your channel. And it changes for each video, but this is like the overall average. And then RPM is how much you get out of that. I think it's like you get 55% and YouTube gets 45% or something like that. So my RPM is, for my overall channel, is $6.01. When it comes to lifestyle, beauty, like vlogging channels, that type of stuff, we make less than, say, like finance or tech or like real estate, like that type of content. The people running those ads are willing to pay more on your content. So yeah, beauty people don't really get paid as much money on YouTube. What you would get paid mostly for is like sponsorships or that type of stuff. Don't get me wrong, you can still earn a big chunk of money from AdSense, but it's just not the same as some people who have a CPM of like $30 and then they're making $16 for every 1,000 views. Like, that's a lot of money that they're making each month. Whereas for us, it's like, you know, just a little bit more chill, okay? So we're here in my analytics. First, I'm gonna show you guys what videos actually did the best for me. So down here, you can see your top earning videos from this period. So my top earning video for this period down here in this area, the top earning videos, right? Can I zoom in? Will it show you on the screen recording if I zoom in? I hope so. Anyway, you can see that my gain active Instagram followers video is what gained me the most money this month. It's kind of crazy because that video was just like, I was not gonna post it. And that's why like also you should post like any videos that you come to mind with, just post it on your channel. But I just was not gonna post that video, and then it just blew up because it's actually like a helpful tip. In my mind, I just thought people knew that already, so I wasn't going to post it because I'm like, oh, people just know it, but they actually didn't know it. So I was like, oh, great. And people are like really using it and really loving it and blowing that video up, which is crazy for my little channel. And I appreciate all the support that's come from that. Like, you guys changed my channel from that video, so I'm very, very blessed. But that video has gained me $411.53 during that period, which is psychotic. From January 16th to February 16th. That is like insane. The next videos would be Shein home decor, YouTube video ideas, $30, $20, Shein cases, $12, Shein shoes, $11. And what's crazy about this active Instagram followers is I already had like 40,000 views on it before I got monetized. So that's missing 40,000 views of monetized. That could have been monetized, but you don't get paid for obviously before you got monetized. It only starts running your ads on it after you're monetized. So I missed out on $40,000 worth of AdSense. $40,000, 40,000 views worth of AdSense. I missed out on that, but that's perfectly fine. And then also down here, you can choose kind of the ads that you put on your video. I just have all of them selected and they just go however they go. But skippable ads are actually what usually make YouTubers the most money. Those are the little ads that like 5 seconds and you skip. So I think like if you skip as soon as the 5 seconds are up, you get paid like either $0 or like a little tiny like chunk of change. But if they watch past 30 seconds of one of those ads, if it's longer than a minute, then you get paid more money. But anyway, you make more money off of skippable ads because more people are willing to like watch those. Then you have display ads and all that stuff, but I earned the most off of skippable ads. 81% of my income came from there. During that 30-day period, I made $541.50. That is wild to me. In 30 days, I made $551.50 off of YouTube, off of this thing that I just love doing, and like it's just like therapeutic and fun for me, and I made $500. That's crazy. And that's just off of ads. That's not anything else. You do get paid for like premium, YouTube premium people, so I got $4.97 off of people who have premium, but $500 came from AdSense, and that's wild. I'm sure that this is probably gonna be, well, actually, you know what, let me not jinx it. I was gonna say this is probably gonna be one of my top performing months because that video had done so well, but let's not jinx it. I will have more videos that do well, and I'll keep growing on YouTube, but it's just kind of wild how one video for your month and then like ongoing for the months later can continue to bring you in revenue, even if like it's just that one video, you know? So yeah, you guys, I just really wanted to share with you that information because I know a lot of you guys like my YouTube tip videos and just things like how to grow on YouTube, that kind of stuff. I don't think I'll ever stop sharing that because that's something that I'm super interested in, at least for the time being. Trying to grow my channel, it's something that I'm interested in, so I feel like everything that I learn, everything new that I know, I want to share to you guys who have small channels as well, to show you what you can do, how we all can grow and get bigger and make this profitable. Now, is this money that I can survive on? No, I have a full job outside of this, but it is really, really nice to have, like, come on, to have that extra income. That's insane, an extra $500 that I didn't have. That's the tea, you guys, that's the tea. $550 almost, 540. Let me not toot my own horn too much. $540, that is amazing, and I hope that this inspires you. A lot of the other videos that I was seeing was like somewhere they would get paid like $50 in their first month and then like $100 in their second month or something like that, and it's like right out of the gate $541. That's wild to me. I didn't even know that was possible. I thought I was gonna get like $30, not even meet the threshold to get paid out that month, because with YouTube you have to meet the requirements of $100 through AdSense in order to get paid out. Now, I have not received any money yet. I wanted to tell you guys that I haven't received any money yet because YouTube has to send you that little like verified like PIN number in the mail, and I don't know if it's because of or what, but mine has not arrived yet. So I have to insert that PIN to verify my address before I can even get the money coming, and then I think I have to wait after that for it to process. So I probably won't get this money for like another month or so, but that's fine because it'll be a bigger check. If you guys want any more tips, if you have any more questions, you guys know to come to me, leave a comment down below, whatever. Contact me somehow if you have any more questions. I'm here to help you guys because you guys help me, so I need to be able to help you guys. You know what I mean? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.